Ever wondered how to market and promote your online course successfully? Well, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, I'll unveil powerful faith-based mindset shifts and strategies to help Christian women coaches and entrepreneurs, perhaps like you, to 10 times your income and impact. Stay tuned until the end to get tips that can help you more confidently launch and sell your online course. First up, I want you to shift your mindset from just thinking that you're selling a product to actually believing that you are selling, or even more like sharing, a solution. Your course is simply that, a solution. It's not just a random product that you thought of. It's actually a God-given idea that God Himself placed inside your heart because He knows that there are people out there who need it. Your course takes someone from a problem or their point A to a solution or their point B. So again, it's not just a product. It's a vehicle of transformation from their point A to their point B. So think about it. If you have the answer to someone's struggles, wouldn't you want to help? Wouldn't you want to share that answer or that solution? Your knowledge and experience and expertise are gifts from God that are meant to be shared. And someone out there needs what you have to offer and what you have to teach. Let me share with you an example. Let's say you're a motherhood coach and you recognize that there are many new mothers out there who are stressing about taking care of their newborns, all the while struggling with postpartum depression. Now, this might be something that you have struggled with before, and you have read books, taken seminars, delved deep into the topic of motherhood, or even overcame similar struggles yourself before. So now you found yourself wanting to create a course to help those new mothers get through it. Would you not want that course to serve as many new mothers as possible? Would you still feel icky or salesy about promoting your course on social media and asking your friends to talk about it with others, so that many new mothers will take your course and your course will help as many new mothers as possible to overcome what they're going through? I don't think so. Again, your course is a solution. I think knowing that would actually ignite a fire in your belly to drive you to actually sell your course unapologetically and confidently, no matter what. By the way, friends, before I forget, please hit the subscribe button below and click the bell as well to be notified on our videos on course creation, kingdom entrepreneurship, and faith-based personal development. I upload videos every Monday. Also, while you're at it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up too. I will definitely appreciate it. Now let's talk about profit. Some of you might be feeling apologetic or shy to market and sell your online course because you feel like people will not be willing to buy your course or to invest in your course. You may think it might not sell because your audience will think that they can just find free information elsewhere on Google or on YouTube. So instead of buying your course, they will do just that. Or you may think they won't be able to afford your course. All these things are mindset blocks that are limiting you. And here is why. I truly believe your course deserves to make a profit. And I hope you believe this too. God gave you the idea because He wants you to earn in the first place. From a biblical perspective, according to Deuteronomy 8:18, God is the one who gives us the power to create wealth. And so here's the thing to realize. God wants you to make all the money that you need so you can do everything that He wants and calls you to do. Let's face it, money is a necessity in this world. It's how we provide for our families, buy our necessities, pay our bills, buy our food, give to our churches, give to our ministries and the organizations that help people in need. And so your course, if it's aligned with God's plan, can actually be God's means of providing for you, your family, and the people around you. All the wealth that we create, receive, and earn belongs to God in the first place. So if we are holding ourselves back from marketing our online courses, if we are shying away from creating courses because we say that we are not good at sales, or what if our course doesn't sell, or what if we don't have a huge following, or we think people might have a problem that we're not offering our course for free, then I think we should lean into God more. I think we should stop worrying about those things and surrender the course that God has put in our hearts back to Him. Because if we are intentionally holding ourselves back, I think we might be disobeying God, and we might be misaligned with His purpose of actually using our online course so that He can bless us, so that we can be blessed to become a blessing to this world. The caveat, of course, is that we have to make sure that we are always coming from the right intention. Some people think online courses are a get-rich-quick scheme when it's really not. You have to put in the work to make sure it's a high-quality, transformational online course that actually helps and serves and changes people's lives. And of course, there's the love of money that we have to continuously avoid. As long as the profit, the money doesn't get to our head and we start thinking, oh, I launched this course and now it's making money and I give all the credit to myself because my course is successful and I'm put all of the work in it. As long as we don't think that and we don't become too prideful and instead let all of the profit and the impact that we create through our online course lead us into praise, into thanking God for blessing us through our course, then we're good. Always remember, we are not supposed to be self-made. Instead, we're supposed to be God-made. God is supposed to get all the glory for every fruit, every harvest that we are going to have from every good work, including creating our online courses. Also, consider this. People willingly pay for solutions and transformations and their needs every day. This is why you shouldn't stop yourself from creating an online course just because you think no one will buy it. From supermarket purchases to Black Friday deals. You probably just bought some in the past few weeks, right? I see you guys. Transactions happen because people value solutions. And your online course is no exception. As long as you make sure that your course is properly mapped out and effectively positioned, then your course will undoubtedly sell. So actually, comment down below if you would love to learn how to position your course so it stands out in your niche or in your industry. And so I would love to make a video on that if you want me to. So remember, your course is not just a product. It's a powerful tool that God gives you so you can have positive impact and financial prosperity. So I suggest you reflect on these mindset shifts and let me know in the comments below how they resonate with you. And don't forget to hit thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe, and share this video to at least 3 of your friends who might get value from it as well. And also, watch this video next if you want to learn why you need to create online courses in this day and age as a female coach or entrepreneur. Until next time, keep the faith, my friends, and know that the best is yet to come. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!